Hey guys, today I'm unboxing a new dildo from Sohimi. This is the 12.9 inch tentacle dildo. I do like me a tentacle, so let's see what this guy looks like. First off, came nice and discreetly packed. I was surprised that a 12.9 inch toy would fit in this little box, but as you can see it's because it's folded over. So let's see what she looks like. Oh wow. And this has some special features too. Not only is it 12.9 inches for some depth play. Oh wow. The texture's really cool. But it stores light. So if this was on your windowsill, if you're very ballsy, in the daytime, soaking up the sun, and then you bring it into your bedroom at nighttime, it glows in the dark. So it's like a glowy willy, a glowy tentacle, which is pretty cool for deep sea monster fans, I guess. It kind of fits the vibe, doesn't it? But let's have a little look, shall we, up close at the texture and stuff. It's got these nice little balls, little suckers. I'm sure they'll feel nice going in. It's got a slight bulge at the base, so after you're training depth, nice deep, 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 you get a nice little reward if you make it to the bottom with this little bulge. I can't wait to take that, and I know that I will. And even the back has these nice little scale textures, which are unusual. Usually on tentacles to get just simple ridges, but these are pretty cool. I'm curious to feel what they're like. They're a lot more bumpy than I'd imagine. So thank you. Also, it's got quite a bit of give to it, so that's good. Should definitely be able to get nice and deep inside me. I think I'm going to be able to take this all away right away. So thank you very much, Sohimi, for this cool dildo. Oh. And yeah, I guess that means he wants to be played with. He's slapping me in the face and attacking me already. So yeah, bye. Ah!